It's a burger in a can. And this is Steakhouse Burger, 100% beef, 3 times cheese, and includes bacon as well. After sitting together in a can for so long, how's that going to keep the integrity of the burger and the bread? Will things be mushy? Will they be what? Because they're in constant contact for, you know, probably weeks, if not months now, right? So based on past experience in boiling cans in water, it makes a lot of noise. So I'm going to use a clean napkin and I'm going to place that into the bottom of my pot. And then I'm going to add my cans. All right, cheeseburger number 1, cheeseburger number 2. All right, now I'm going to let these boil for 15 minutes. Bye, burgers. All right, here are the burgers in a can. I'm going to try the Steakhouse Burger first. This is the one that contains bacon. Nice hiss, as Steve would say. It's wrapped in paper. Oh my gosh. And compared to the Greek ration, this can is not nearly as scorchingly hot. You can see I can hold it pretty easily. And I think that has to do with the density of the food. This is much lighter. All right, I love that it's packed in paper. It does have a strange smell to it. It smells kind of tomatoey and canned, of course. Not like a burger. Okay, let's take this out. And it is warm. Look at that burger. So I was wondering if there'd be any veg in here, and if so, how would it at all survive? So let's take a look. Okay, there's some bacon there. Oh, there are some pickles. Don't know if you would necessarily call that veg. There are 2 slices of pickle, bacon. Here's the burger patty. And I think that's cheese. I'm not sure. Oh, there's some more. Maybe that's the cheese on the bottom. It's really glued to the burger patty, so it's difficult to separate. It smells almost like a breakfast Danish though. Very odd. Cuts pretty easily. Ooh, that's odd. Itadakimasu. In case you haven't already figured it out based on my expression, that is definitely not delicious. And it doesn't taste remotely like a burger at all. At all. It is very, very salty. And it has a very granular, kind of mushy texture. The bread is very, very soft. The meat part doesn't taste like meat at all. It tastes more like TVP, or textured vegetable protein. It's very grainy and kind of crumbly and separates. And it doesn't have any of that texture of meat. I don't taste any onions, ketchup, or mustard, any of those familiar condiments on this burger at all. All right, let's try the other burger. Whoa, look at that. 4 sachets of desiccant. This one looks a little bit better. It certainly smells better. The bread looks a little bit fluffier. It doesn't feel as soggy. Now, I believe that's onion. And that looks like a dehydrated tomato. So this one has some vegetables in it. Ooh. Let's see if it tastes better. Here we go. A little better. The meat seems to taste a little bit more meatier, although it does still taste like a TVP burger or a fake meat burger, which I don't mind, but when they're calling it a beef burger and it doesn't taste like one, it's a bit odd. The flavor is a little bit better, although the first one was so terrible, I think anything would be an improvement. The bread is definitely better. In terms of flavor, the bread actually does taste like bread. It tastes like those inexpensive hot dog buns. While this is an improvement to the first burger I had, the first burger was so terrible, that's not saying all that much. This one is much better in texture. You still have some separation between the ingredients. So there you have it, burger in a can. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I hope you guys learned something, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care, bye! Ooh, I think I'd rather eat the paper.